Alright, so all I've done is I've sprayed everything with WD-40. Got a few simple tools. Now I'm going to pull off the carburetor and we go through all of this. Make sure we're getting the right fuel. Nice. So what we can do is throw a bit of this stuff in. No sponsors, just to see if it fires. I've already done that and it does fire, so we're good on that one. Careful of that. This is your spring, and you should have a slide in there. Yeah, it slides in there. That'll be your top hat. It's supposed to be a rubber seal around the top of that. Your spring and your needle. We can set our needle height there. Okay, so the slide is pretty stuck in there. So the choke's already disconnected. This one's the choke lever. All that does is puts a little flap down to close the opening of the carby. This is my improvised fuel feeder, so we don't have to rely on the fuel pump in the actual engine. Okay, so 10 mil. Just two 10 mils that hold the whole carburetor assembly onto the actual block. Now this should have some sort of gasket in between it. There's a bit of fiddling around. You will have to be able to get your fingers into some tight spots with this. What's going on, mate?
Nothing, just sniffing it out.
No, just filming this. Just filming this. It's pretty simple stuff. It's just a simple carby, just simple setup. So we'll see where we can get with it. But the slide is stuck like a rock. It's down at the bottom and it's not coming up.
Yeah, I reckon it's just been sitting. They did have this sitting out in the weather.
Yeah, that's probably half the problem of it, man.
It was just sitting on the retaining wall next to the pool.
But I mean, like we did with that. Look at that. Yeah, hasn't it? Oh, it's got a rubber gasket, but obviously the gasket's not sealing. It's got a rubber O-ring in there. And what they've done is they've put slaz on the outside of this. You can see it all over the bolt here. It's like sticky, slazzy. No good. What we're going to do is we're going to put a cork gasket on that, aren't we, mate? And it's not overflowing, so that means that the float is actually getting the right level on the inside of here.
Just need to pull the rest of it out and clean it.
So now what I should do is I need to somehow salvage this fuel.
Yeah, straight into that pot plant there.
Alright. Yeah, that's not moving. So this is what the choke does. Just covers the intake port. That's where the fuel intake is. That's where you put your fuel line. That's just a breather, and so is that one. Yeah, overflows. This one here is the drain bowl. I'm going to drain that out. Take these 4 bolts off. If I stop spilling fuel. Take those 4 bolts off, and yeah, see what we've got on the inside of this thing. Interesting.